Can you tell everyone hi, Avery? Bless you. Bless you. You get hiccups and sneezes? Bless you. You like the windows? Bless you.